Hi everyone, so my Simply Gilded subscription box for planners got here today. It got here a little late, so let's see what we got. So here is the box. It's really pretty. I'm loving all the colors. The theme for September is You're a Gem. And here's the back of it. It's a little stuffed, so let's take a look at what's inside. So the first thing I pull out is a little card. And this tells you exactly what's inside each box, along with a mystery item. So the first item I pulled out are these washi cards. So the back of it is silver and the front of it is rose gold. I don't mean to blind you guys with the iridescence, but it's actually really pretty. This one says shine bright. It's different. I've never seen anything like it. They do kind of remind me of gems when you put them up to the light. And the next one says precious. And the last one says love your heart. So these are actually pretty cool when you move them around. You see all the colors. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them, but something different. So here is the foiled journaling card. It has rose gold on the front, hearts and gems, and on the back of it it's silver. It has this little plastic, so I'm going to pull it off because it's bothering me. And there is the card. It's very pretty. It's different. So this is my favorite part of the box. Here are the stickers. And I like that they have half boxes and full boxes, also the little checklist. Very pretty. I'm loving the colors. And it's also foiled. Here are the seals, and you can use these on envelopes that you're sending out, or packages, or gifts. They just make it look really pretty. Here is the first full sheet, and I really like that they have the day headers and that some of them are foiled. Sorry, I don't mean to blind you guys. My favorite little part is the little checklist, the little hearts. Those are pretty. And here is the second sheet. Just something different, and they're foiled. It's pretty. And here is the bottom of it. They're really pretty. I'm loving the blue. So here is the iridescent acrylic gem tray. Let's see what it looks like. So this is very pretty. I don't mean to blind you guys with the color. This is actually a really nice tray. It has multiple colors in it, as you can see. Very pretty, very decorative. You can put anything in it. Here is the Luxe Quilted Velvet Pouch, which is nice with the rose gold hardware. It's coming off a little red, but it's more burgundy in person. Very nice. Here is the engraved gel ink pen. I love the ombre effect. That is so pretty. You can see the fine glitter on it, which I think is very subtle and pretty. I love the little bow. All of her pins are refillable, which I like. You don't just have to toss them away once you're done with them. She does sell blue and black ink in her shop, which is nice. So here are the washi tapes. The top one looks a little dark. It has rose gold, but when it's rolled out, it's more of a maroon. And I really do love the middle one with the bow. Very pretty. Also like the last one. Here are the last two washi tapes. I really do love the top one with the bow and the iridescence. The bottom one does have iridescence also. The gems do go with the theme of the box. So this is the mystery item for this box. It is wrapped up in a cute little bag, and everyone was going crazy to find out what the mystery item was in a group I was in and the people who are subscribed to this box. So it is a beautiful little iridescent gem, and you can use it as a decorative piece. Very, very pretty. Different. I like it. So this is everything I received in the subscription box. There is a link down below if you want to shop from her shop. it takes $5 off of 15 or more. And that's about it. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.